हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल जिसका नाम है केविन गामी द एक्सप्लोरर। तो आज हम इस कॉमन प्लांट के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जो आप सबने देखा ही होगा। वो कहा ये अपने गार्डन में, रोड साइड पे, ग्रीन फेंसिंग के तौर पर तो देखा ही होगा। इस प्लांट का नाम है येलो ओलिएंडर। इट्स साइंटिफिक नेम इज कास्काबेला थेविएटा। इसे हिंदी में कनेर અને ગુજરાતીમાં પીળી કરેણ કહેવાય છે. This plant is native to central Mexico and West Indies. It comes under the category of poisonous plant because latex is present in most of the parts of the plant, like leaves. As you can see here, this latex is coming. Fruit, here also you can see the latex is coming. This latex is poisonous. This plant is used as an ornamental plant and is preferred to grow on roadsides because first of all it is a poisonous plant, so no wild cattle will try to eat it. Secondly, it is a drought tolerant plant, मतलब कि ये कम पानी में भी ग्रो होता है. And thirdly, ये प्लांट के फ्लावर्स अलग अलग कलर्स में होते हैं जो कि एक अच्छा लुक देते हैं. दिस प्लांट हैज़ 3 categories. One plant that grows yellow flowers, one that grows white flowers, and one that grows light orange flowers. And this plant grows light orange flowers, as you can see here. These bright color flowers are used for religious purposes for worship in India. The shape of this flower is a long funnel, as you can see here. In the inlet, it is a open mouth, and here a small open mouth out the outlet. Cascabela is a Spanish word that means small bell. If you see the structure of the flower, it is like small bell. As you can see here, it looks like a small bell. The fruit of this flower is poisonous and is in deep red black color when ripened. The plant's toxin have been used in experiment for biological pest control. Its seeds oil is used for manufacturing of paints with antifungal, antibacterial and anti-termite properties. Hope you learned something new about this plant. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my latest videos.